Hello, this is Boyce with 5280 Software LLC, and today I'm going to give you 5 simple SEO tips. So during these trying times, it's really important to work on your site and your marketing strategy as much as possible to get new customers and just get brand recognition and drive more traffic to your site. So the first tip is optimize your titles, URL, and descriptions on your site. The first thing that's included in that is the page title tags. So search engines display the first 50 to 60 characters of a page's title in their search results. So write unique titles and use the right keywords as well as your brand's name in the page title tag. Image titles. So this is what is displayed when you mouse over an image on the site. So make those image title tags relevant as possible. Use readable URLs and always use hyphens. Google does not read underscores, so make sure your page title uses hyphens. Also, don't use capital letters. URLs are case sensitive, so don't confuse Google or your site visitors. Also use 301 redirects to tell Google the changes of your URL. So when you change a page's URL, make sure you use a 301 redirect to drive traffic to that new URL. And add target keywords into the URL of each page or post. Also under this first tip is the meta description. So this is the description of what the page is about. So keep them between 50 and 160 characters. If you use Yoast SEO plugin for your WordPress site, which I highly recommend, it's a great tool. It can help you refine this meta description. And also it's important to refresh the meta description on your older pages and your older content. So here's a good example of a good meta description. By thinking clearly about your needs, it is possible to find a computer that will help you do all the things you currently love and more, our technicians explain. The next tip is provide useful and fresh content. So it's really important to always update your site with new content and refresh pages that are older with newer content. The next tip number 3, is improve your website's loading time. There's a website that you can use to test your load time. It's called webpagetest.org. The next thing you can do to improve your website's load time is get a dedicated hosting package versus a shared hosting package. You'll just have more bandwidth and better performance of your site by doing this. Use a lightweight WordPress theme or framework. So just try to keep everything, as lean as possible. You should also try to reduce your image sizes. There's a really good WordPress plugin called Smush, S-M-U-S-H, that will help optimize and reduce the image sizes. Use a caching plugin. For WordPress, there's another really good plugin called W3 Total Cache. And this will basically speed up the site by caching all your elements of the site. And also the last tip for improving your website's load time is deactivate or uninstall unwanted plugins. So if you have plugins that you're no longer using, just go ahead and uninstall those. It'll help with the speed as well. Really important 4th tip is make sure your website is mobile friendly. So Google basically about 2.5 years ago started giving preferences to websites that were mobile optimized. So it's really important to have your site mobile optimized, especially considering about half the website traffic these days is coming from mobile devices. So it's really important to have a mobile optimized website. And the last tip number 5 for your SEO is register your website with Google and Bing Webmaster Tools. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me at 5280software.net or give me a call at 888-510-0833. Thank you.